Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope y'all are having a great day today. So in this video, we're going to be going over five off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, March the 27th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. As always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, and you want to make sure that you scan each item in the app under the list feature when you are in the store to make sure that the coupons do attach, and also to price check the item because prices do vary store to store. And here's how I go about checking out on Saturday when I do my 5 off 25 deals. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items, and then I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more, and keep in mind that that is before taxes. Now, if your store already has the newer keypad, you will have to ask the cashier. Just keep in mind, make sure that they tell you what your subtotal is, not your total after taxes. If your store still has the older keypad, you can simply just look down at the screen and it'll tell you right there on the keypad. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Now again, if your store still has the older keypad, you can watch that screen and it will show you which digital coupons come off. If your store has already switched over to the newer keypads, it is kind of just a guessing game. You will have to wait and see what your subtotal is after your coupons come off. Then, if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account, and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, I wanted to do something a little bit different. It is a little bit more out of pocket, but I don't see a whole lot of scenarios out there using the normal Tide or red Tide coupons. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Tide liquid or the pods for $8.95, one of the Pineline multi-purpose cleaners, the 128 ounces for $5, one of the Pineline 56 ounces for $2.75, one of the Airwick scented oil warmer starter kits for $3.35, one of the Centrum 40 count vitamins for $5, and two of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents. Those are 34 cents each. So your subtotal is going to be $25.73, and then here are all the digital coupons that you want to make sure that you have on your account. And here is your list of coupons, so you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Tide laundry product, the 2 off 2 Pineline DG store coupon, the 125 off 2 Pineline coupon, the 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins, and the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.98 for 7 items, or just $1.28 each. So for this second scenario, this is another household deal. You want to pick up one of the Pineline 128 ounce multi-purpose cleaners for $5, one of the Pineline 56 ounces for $2.75, one True Living bath tissue for $4.50, one Airwick warmer starter kit for $3.35, one Centrum 40 count vitamins for $5, 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoo and conditioner for $4.50, and 2 of the Welch's fruit snacks for 68 cents. Your subtotal will be $25.78. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 2 off 2 Pineline DG store coupon, the 125 off 2 Pineline coupon, 1 off 1 True Living bath tissue, 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 3 off 3 Pantene, and the 1 off 2 Welch's fruit snacks. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.03 for 10 items, or just 70 cents each. So next up, we have a personal care deal. You want to pick up one of the Jergens lotions for $3.75 and one of the Jergens body wash for $6. Now, if you pick up both of these items in the same transaction, you want to make sure that you ring up the lotion first because we have a 150 off 1 coupon, and that does also attach to the body wash. So make sure that you bring the lotion up first so that 150 off one coupon attaches to it. So then you want to pick up one of these Suave lotions for $1.95, one of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4, two of the Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners for $6, they are $3 each, and two of the Pantene Nutrients travel size shampoos and conditioners for $6, they are also $3 each. So your subtotal will be $27.70. And here are all the coupons that you're going to want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, your 150 off 1 Jergens, the 3 off 1 Jergens body wash, 1 off 1 Suave lotion, 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, 3 off 2 Garnier Fructis shampoos or conditioners, 1 off 1 Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends DG store coupon, and the 5 off 2 Pantene Nutrients. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.20 for 8 items, or just 65 cents each. So next up, we have another all-digital deal, and it is a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up two of the Garnier Whole Blends shampoos and conditioners for $7. Those are $3.50 each. One of the CoverGirl eye pencils 2-pack for $4. One of the DG Health ibuprofens for $2.50. One of the DG Health pads or liners for $3.95. One of the Rexall Vitamin D3 60 count for $2.25. One of the Oral-B flosses for $2.25. And one of the Centrum 40 count vitamins for $5. Your subtotal is going to be $26.95. And here are the coupons that you want to make sure you have clipped to your account. And here is your list of coupons. So you're going to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends DG store coupon, the 4 off 2 Whole Blends shampoos or conditioners, the 3 off 1 CoverGirl eye products, 1 off 1 DG Health ibuprofen, 2 off 1 DG Health pads or liners, 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins, 2 off 1 for the Oral-B floss picks, and the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.95 for 8 items, or just 49 cents each. Alright guys, so the next deal is going to be a Unilever deal, and we're going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on the Dove, Axe, and Love Beauty and Planet products. It's save $2 instantly at the register when you spend $8. So just in case you guys want to mix and match, if you are adding an instant savings deal to your 5 off $25 scenarios, you must add that amount of instant savings to the $25 subtotal. So your instant savings will come off first at the register, and your subtotal must still be $25 after the instant savings comes off in order for that 5 off $25 coupon to work. So for example, we always have this Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex deal. It's instantly save $3 when you spend $15. So if you are adding in this instant savings deal to your 5 off $25 scenarios, your subtotal before coupons must be at least $28. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, because in this month's Unilever insert, we received a lot of high-value buy one, get one free coupons for the Dove and Axe products. And there are a ton of different ways that you can mix and match. And just in case you get in store and they're out of stock of something, or if you just want to pick up a different item, you will know how that instant savings is supposed to work. And by the way, those coupons do expire tomorrow. So if you still have them and you want to use them, make sure you use those up before the end of the day. Tomorrow, Saturday the 27th. Now, I also want to say that normally with the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex instant savings, that does not double. So if you were to go in store and pick up $30 worth of those products, you're still only going to receive a $3 instant savings at the register. So where we would think you would probably should get $6 off, for whatever reason they have it in the system, we're only $3 off. Now, with that being said, on the Unilever instant savings deals, so like the Tresemme, Love Beauty and Planet, Axe, Dove, Suave, Vaseline, those instant savings do tend to double. And I have been seeing a lot of people post a lot of amazing hauls on Instagram, so I am pretty sure that this deal should work without any issues and that the instant savings is stacking. Now, if you have already tried one of these Unilever deals on Saturday, please let me know down in the comment section below. And if there's any corrections on anything in this video, I will always leave it in a pinned comment in the comment section. So, alright guys, so for this scenario, keep in mind that there are a lot of different ways that you can mix and match with those buy one get one free coupons. I'm just going off of what I have available to me at my store. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the men's body wash for $9. They are $4.50 each. 2 of the Dove men's deodorant, the 2.7 ounces, for $10.50. They are $5.25 each. 2 of the Axe body washes for $8. They are $4 each. 1 of the Axe deodorant, 1.7 ounce, for $2.50, and 1 of the Axe body sprays for $5. Your subtotal is going to be $35. Then you're going to have a total of $8 in instant savings come off first at the register, because we're taking advantage of that instant savings deal of save $2 when you spend $8 on Dove and Axe products. We're doing that deal 4 times. So you're going to have a total of $8 come off first, and that'll make your new subtotal just $27. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario, and they all come out of the Unilever insert except for the 5 off $25 coupon. So make sure you have your 5 off 25. You're going to need 2 of the buy one get one free Dove men's products, the 3 off 2 Axe products, and the buy one get one free Axe products coupon. Your total after coupons will be just $3.50 for 8 items, or just 43 cents each. Alright guys, so that's it for the scenarios in this video, but just in case you missed it, I did upload a gain scenario video earlier in the week where we are stacking the 5 off 20 and 5 off $25 coupons, and there are a ton of awesome deals in that video. And I also did a P&G insert giveaway. So just in case you missed it and you want to go and enter to win that giveaway, I'm going to leave a link in a pinned comment down below. So definitely go and check that out. Now for this giveaway, I thought I would have a little bit of fun since Easter is right around the corner and kind of hide an Easter egg in the video. Now by Easter egg, I mean the rules for the giveaway. So the rules for the giveaway are placed somewhere throughout the video. With that being said, I do apologize to some of you guys. I should have chosen my words a little bit more carefully and explained better. So lesson learned, but thank you all so much for all of your support, and I am so sorry for confusing any of you guys who watched the video 3 or 4 times and couldn't find an Easter egg. But for anyone who is going to go and watch that video now, you are looking for a screen that kind of looks like this, and it is placed somewhere throughout the video. That screen is going to tell you what the rules are to enter to win the giveaway. So please watch the video all the way through, and when you find the screen, follow the steps, and then I'm going to be announcing the winners on Sunday in our new Dollar General digital coupons video. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you guys good luck with your Saturday scenarios and happy couponing. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video or make a post in the community tab. Please give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, you guys know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.